Good day, class. Today's class will also be solving another problem on rates, and I need you to pay attention. In case you need a virgin land you want to build, the surest plug is the person you are seeing on the screen. Our number is displayed on the screen, or maybe you don't want a virgin land, you don't want a ready-made apartment. Maybe a duplex, 2-bedroom flat, 3-bedroom flat. You just pack in immediately, ready-made. Feel free to contact me. I've dropped some of my videos. I've been making series of videos on series of property you can buy. Feel free to watch my previous videos and see the one that is suitable for your needs, or the one that you can afford out of those property. Let's solve this problem on the board. We have a man is paid 100 naira per hour for normal work and double rate for overtime. If he does a 35-hour week, which includes 2 hours of overtime, what is his weekly earning in naira? So to solve this is a problem on rate. And the secret for rate is that you must know when the unit cancels. So this is 100 naira per hour for normal work. We have solution. Total earnings or total amount for normal work. We are giving 100 naira per hour. If he does a 35-hour week, 100 naira per means over. So if I'm multiplying R by 35, means hour will cancel hour, because per means division. So I have 35 naira. If he does a 35-hour week, which includes 2 hours of overtime, total amount for overtime, we are told that double rate for overtime. So I'm multiplying this one by 2R. I will now multiply by Q. This Q means Q hours weeks. So if I'm multiplying hours by hours here, hours will cancel hours. So the answer left here will be 2RQ, double rate for overtime. What is its weekly earning? So the total amount weekly earnings will be 35R plus 2RQ. So let me factor out the R. R is common. I left with 35 plus 2Q. Let's compare our solution. That's option D, R 35 plus 2Q. The secret to rate is that ability to cancel units. I think you have gained something in this video. Don't forget that we have our physical presence, Dreams Tutorial Center. Our address is 4 OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE, IKORODU, Lagos. Let's share this information to as many students as you can. See you in my next video. Bye.